Welcome to our mini vlog. The night before we visit this Emrys Cafe, kakwentuhan namin ang napakabait na mayora ng Agoncillo, Batangas, si Mayora Reyes, and recommended na bisitahin namin ang Emrys Cafe located just in front of their house. We didn't imagine na ganito ka-secluded yung way papunta sa cafe, kaya mas lalo kaming na-excite kasi ganito yung mga trip naming lugar, away from the traffic, noise, and crowd. Ang bongga ng cafe, akala talaga namin restaurant na to. If first time niya lang pupuntahan tong cafe, much better siguro kung umaga kayo pupunta kasi medyo malaya sa National Road yung cafe and walang street lights. And also, para ma-enjoy niyo yung nature and ang overlooking view ng Taal. Feeling ko, close na close kami ng Taal. Sa ground floor yung pinaka-alfresco nila, kaya dumiretso kami agad sa taas para makita yung interior ng Emrys Cafe. Lucky us, kami lang ang tao that day, kaya solo namin ang buong Emrys Cafe. We had a chance na makapag-picture everywhere kasi Instagrammable bawat sulok ng place, and kita nyo naman ang mga aesthetic nilang mga tables and chairs. And yung white shades and wood style nila, feeling ko nasa rest house ako. Trip na trip ko talaga tong bay window nila, ang sarap tambayan. And makikita nyo yung bahay sa likod, yan yung bahay ni Mayora. Ayan na nga at nagpa-sound trip pa sila. And then makikita nyo also yung mga terrace na nakapalibot sa cafe para meron kayong area kung saan mas makikita nyo yung nature. High ceiling sila and meron silang mga long tables for large group of barkadas. They also have a mini attic for small group or couple na gusto ng private space to enjoy their meals and coffee. This spiral staircase na inaakyat ko ngayon ang way going there. Air-conditioned din to, and syempre, nag-mirror selfie na kaming mag-asawa. So as you can see, napapalibutan ng terrace ang buong second floor ng cafe. For our merienda, we had strawberry milkshake, latte, banana fritters, and clubhouse. Sobrang bait ni Mayora kaya she treated us a plate full of mozzarella sticks. This merienda cost us more than 500 pero sobrang good na kasi nakapag-take out pa kami kasi ang laki ng serving nila. One of the highlight of Emrys Cafe is their Taal viewing deck available to all the customers. Actually, ito yung bahay ni Mayora. Sobrang peaceful, malakas ang hangin at masarap tambayan. Mabagal ang oras habang nagre-relax at namamangha seeing how beautiful God's creation is. Kahit ang Taal is a beautiful disaster from this point of view. Thank you, Mayora, for recommending this place. Sobrang nag-enjoy po kami. Sa mga gusto ng road trip, chilling with the nature, try nyo na rin tong Emrys Cafe sa Agoncillo, Batangas. Remember, happiness is a habit. Thank you for watching!